If you need to request a refund from Crunchyroll, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check refund eligibility. Before initiating a refund, review Crunchyroll's refund policy to determine if your purchase qualifies. Generally, subscriptions can be refunded within a specific time frame after purchase. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the purchase you want to refund. Step 3. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Help or Support link. This will direct you to the customer support section where you can find options for refunds. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Look for the option to submit a refund request. Fill out the required form with details such as your account information, purchase date, and reason for the refund. Be clear and concise to help expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Crunchyroll. They will inform you about the status of your refund request and any further actions needed. Once you've completed these steps, you should be on your way to receiving your refund. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll's customer support for further assistance.